Think about how much you love this game. How many years has it been since you first put on a pair of shoulder pads and dreamed of one day playing in front of thousands of screaming fans? And now here you are, playing for the Tigers. Think about the people who helped you get where you are today. You worked hard for this opportunity, but there were many people along the way that believed in you. Every time you step on the field, you represent all of the love and sacrifice that went into getting you to this stage. Your family, your friends, your community, they are all a part of who you are. Cherish these moments together as a team. You will remember them for the rest of your life. You earned this, so make it count.
Embrace the moment. Embrace it. Embrace and cherish this moment. This moment. Cherish it, man. And when I watch you play tonight, let me see a guy out there that's playing with an appreciation for the opportunity that you have to be a part of it. Here's what I want to see. I want to see 11 guys. 11 guys, whoever they are, that take the field, play with a desperation to get your job done. I mean, just be desperate to get your job done, whatever it is. Be desperate to do it. All right, that's what I want to see. That's what I'm looking for. 11 guys paying the price. Don't let this family down. You work all year for this one moment, man. Let's go, baby. All in on three. 1, 2, 3, all in.
Long on first